I have backtested many days into the market. I've made money on the market to be able to afford a beautiful car. And the one thing that I have been able to notice is that liquidity is so important. Doesn't matter what strategy you trade, doesn't matter what concepts you use, liquidity is very important. And how do we call those liquidity pools? Buy side and sell side liquidity. So in this video, I don't want to waste too much of your time. We're going to dive right into it. I'm going to mark out exactly what they are, the reasoning behind them, and why they just always work, and how you compare them with your strategy as well. So let's dive right into it. Before we dive right into it, I'm just going to draw out this little demonstration over here, because honestly, once you have this understanding, you can just make any strategy you want out of it. For example, this is buy side liquidity. So price comes into this zone. Think of this zone as like a very popular food market. So there is people with their wallets all hanging around waiting for these stores to open. And when these stores open, everyone jumps in. And what do? They buy out the store. Think of it as like a Black Friday sale. Everyone buys out the store. What happens? All the liquidity gets eaten up in the market, pushes the market down, because think of it in a way that the store is all sold out. Now pushes the market down. Now again, what do we do once we get to the bottom? Well, now in this time over here, all the people in the store, this is such a weird analogy, but I mean, it makes sense. All the people in the store over here now are restocking the shelf. And what happens? Everything is restocked. Then we call this sell side liquidity. Now, since everything got restocked, again, now we're waiting for the people to get in line again. What happens? People are waiting in line. And let's continue this little trend. What do? Back into buy side liquidity. What do we do again? Again, pool of money. Bunch of people in this area gets all bought up. Market eats it up, pushes back down to then continue its trend. So this just goes to show that buy side, sell side can be a very strong indication to tell you where the market might be heading. Gives you indication. On top of it, it could give you very strong entry points, which if you haven't already seen my strategy video, go check it out. I'll link it somewhere in this video, maybe in the card at the top right. And it shows you exactly where to get into these type of entries. Very important. So let's jump into the live example. Oh, I can't even speak anymore. Looking at the market over here, we have a very strong uptrend. So perfectly fine. Mark it out. What do we see over here? Buy side liquidity. Why is this a buy side? Why isn't this a buy side? Well, believe it or not, it is a buy side as well. Buy sides are marked at major highs. Like for example, this is a high over here. This is a high over here as well. And this is a high, and this is a high as well. So mark them out at highs. So that being said, this would be a buy side liquidity. Did we respect this? No, not really. We just ran right through it. So I wouldn't really call it a buy side liquidity. Always look at buy sides when they get respected, which means since this one didn't get respected, there wasn't enough buyers or sellers or sell stops in this area. So what do? We continued pushing. Over here, on the other hand, we had a valid buy side liquidity. Why? Because the second we came into this zone, what do? We ended up pushing down, making a very strong trend reversal. So that goes to show that this buy side had enough liquidity in this pool for the market to eat it up, get its energy to then push back down. Then coming over here, what do we see as well? And guys, you're going to notice when you go look on the markets, this is everywhere. Sell side, buy side is everywhere. Now, once again, sell side liquidity. Same analogy as I said before. Now, stores are getting restocked because everything got bought out. What do? Bang. Strong push upwards. So again, go on the 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 4 minute. I'm sure you're going to have an entry for a long position and you can profit on this move. Now, again, do you see any sort of buy side or sell side in this area? I'll give you a second, pause the video. Well, you got a buy side liquidity right over here. Why? It's a major high. Would you mark it out over here? Sure, this is a valid buy side, but did it get respected? No. So, not important to us. I don't know why I put this as a manipulation. Buy side. Did we respect this buy side? Yes, we did. Look at this. Strong wick. We literally came ate all of those buy stops, sell stops, whatever people have left in the market. All the orders got filled, pushed the market back down. Now let's see. Are we going to have another one? I'm sure we will. Yes, we do. Right over here. Liquidity. Sell side liquidity. Mark it out. You can also mark this as sell side liquidity. No problem. You can also mark this as sell side liquidity. Guys, it is everywhere in the market. Sell side, buy side, everywhere. Look at this. Buy side liquidity. This goes to show, guys, if you understand this concept, you will be able to print money. And guys, I have been on the markets for a good amount of time now, and I use this in my strategy because it is so dominant, so strong, and it happens almost every single day, multiple times, as you can see right over here in the market. So I hope you understood how buy side and sell side works. I don't want to make this video too long. I really do hope this made sense to you. If it didn't, let me know in the comments. If you would like, I'm currently running a free trial for my not free mentorship, but a free trial for the mentorship. And you can check it out. I'll teach you personally one-on-one. If you want to stay more on the free side, check out the Discord. And it's just a community to talk with like-minded people. So I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day. I hope this video made sense to you.